Hey, y'all, it's Summer Christiana, and today I'm at Piedmont Park in Atlanta, Georgia with,
Cam Shay, founder of Truth Leadership.
and we're getting into Mingle and Mindset today, going into mental health just a little bit for Mental Health Awareness Month.
Mental health is very, very important, especially to the minority community. And we take pride in not only our mental health, but our positive and self-growth so we can all become better people so we can help affect those around us as well.
So tune in, stay tuned. We're going to be doing interviews, talking to a couple different people about their experiences, and so much more. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Hey, y'all, it's Summer Christiana, and today I'm at Piedmont Park in Atlanta, Georgia with,
Cam Shay, founder of Truth Leadership.
all right, and the beautiful
Kyrie from the Kyrie Experience podcast.
All right, and we're here at Mingle and Mindset, just talking about mental health. So, what does mental health mean to you?
Mental health means a lot to me. I feel like it honestly encompasses a lot of areas that we don't even realize, and so we need to prioritize it more. I feel like mental health goes into how you feeling every day. It plays a part in the decisions that you make and how you feel and everything like that. Like I feel like it's really more in our day-to-day life than we realize, and so that's why we need to make it more of a priority.
What do you think people can do to take the first step to actually acknowledging or actually taking that process of their own mental health?
I think maybe taking a mental account every day of how you feel, what played a part in how you feel, and also really doing the work to heal from some of the things that you may have experienced when you were younger, and even not even younger, but even coming into adulthood, we're so fresh and we're so young and naive. We make decisions that we have to pay the price of later.
Right.
So just sometimes reflecting on those things, forgiving yourself, being okay with those things, coming to terms with the decisions you make, and being intentional, I feel like plays a big part in our mental health as well, because where's the intent? And that's why we make willy-nilly decisions that we have to pay for later. So
Right.
being intentional and just reflecting on a day-to-day basis on how the decisions you make, how it made you feel, and things like that.
And how do you feel our viewpoint as this generation looks at mental health as far as our parents and grandparents and so on and so forth?
I feel like our parents did a good job of laying that foundation for us as a generation, and now it's our job to really like pick up the torch and take it to the next level with making sure that mental health is more of a thing, you know what I'm saying, and not such a taboo topic. And some people know about it, some people do a little bit of therapy here and there, but just making sure that it's more full circle so that we can make sure that we're feeling better as people. And I think that that'll ultimately lead to us being a better community, being a better generation, and things like that.
Beautiful.
Personally speaking, and you can be as discreet as possible, how are you feeling today in your life, mentally? What's your mental check-in?
I feel good. I really do. I mean, honestly, there's a lot of things that I could complain about, but I do feel good. I know that I have a lot to be grateful for. I know that I have a long way to go. But where I am today, I'm happy for sure. Like, of course, we can always complain and nitpick, but when I put all that to the side and think about what I really have to be grateful for, and even knowing how much I have to go, but where I am today is a good starting point, and I'm grateful for that.
We're still here at Mingle and Mindset, and I have
Maya.
Maya. What does mental health mean to you?
Mental health means to me like the state of mind that one has, and like it can differ from person to person. And so yeah.
What type of things do you do to de-stress or relax?
To be stressed?
To de-stress, like
de-stress.
relax, yeah.
Usually I like listening to music. I also like hanging out with my friends because they just take the pressure off and all that. So yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you for sitting down with me today.
Thank you.
Can we get into your podcast a little bit?
Oh, for sure. So mental health is a big piece of my podcast, just because I feel like it is so important. I want to start to destigmatize it and break it down on more of a day-to-day level so that we can realize how much we need our mental health to be in a good place. Like, sometimes people go to the gym, but if you're not feeling good, you don't even have the spirit or the energy to go to the gym. You know what I'm saying? And working out helps your mental health as well. And that's one reason why I've been able to get in the gym recently. But as far as the podcast, I just want to, I want it to be relatable. I want it to be a big breaking point for our generation. And making sure we're prioritizing the right things, making sure we're making good decisions, breaking certain financial barriers that we have, definitely in the Black community, So it's honestly about everything, but I'm making it relatable, and I want it to have a purpose and a point as well.
All right, go ahead, give them your social medias.
So you can check me out at _Kyrie. That's _Kyrie with 3 E's. So that's _KYRIEEE on Instagram and Twitter. So y'all check me out. And YouTube coming soon too.
All right, now make sure y'all check out our episode of her podcast too now. All right, y'all, we're still here at the Mingle and Mindset event, and I have the beautiful
Hi, I'm Erin.
Erin, and who is this little miss?
This is my little one, my little princess.
How you doing, little one? All right, so tell me what mindset and Mingle means to you as far as mental health.
Well, mindset and Mingle.
Yeah. So what does mental health mean to you?
Okay, as far as mental health, I think we all have these different levels and different aspects of health. We've got our physical, our mental, our spiritual, emotional. So it's one of those elements that is part of ourselves as a being and part of who we are as a whole. So when it comes to our mental health, it's really important just to make sure that we're in the mindset of, I'll say peace, more so than happiness, more so than joy or anything like that. Let's talk about peace, because we're going to have these trials and tribulations in life, but let's use our mindset or make sure that we have the tools to fortify our mindset to where we can get through those, and make sure that we're connected to a community that can help us with building a strong mindset to get through anything that life throws our way.
Good.
Being a parent, how many kids do you have, mommy?
It's just this one.
Okay, so she's fairly new.
Yes.
So being a newly mom, how do you feel with mental health now than being a parent or a person without kids?
Definitely very important, because they really soak up everything that it is that we're presenting to them and that we're modeling for them. So beyond, again, like I was saying, those different elements of our health, we model our mental health as well for our children, in my opinion. So I think mental health, even more so, she becomes a mirror for me.
Yeah.
So it's important for me to make sure that I'm showing her, hey, this is how mom deals with mental health. This is how she makes sure she has healthy mental health. This is how, hopefully it's a good tool for her to use as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sitting down and talking with us.
Thank you. You guys keep doing the great work. Keep bringing wonderful mental health to the community. I think it's a wonderful thing because it's important for all of us.
Right. And real quick, what's your social media?
You can catch me at the Erin, ARIN, Nicole, and watch me grow some plants.
Oh!
Y'all have a good one.
All right, thank you. All right, y'all, that is a wrap of Mingle and Mindset with More Than a Model Workshop and Truth Leadership. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. What did you think about our event? Also, make sure you read down below if you or anyone that you know needs help with their mental health for some resources. Summer's only one season, but stick with me where it's summer year round. I'll see y'all for the next video. Good. That ending was a little weird, but we got the 3 seconds, so I got a little bit.